Welcome everyone to the Elysian Finance platform, and this is the Elysian.finance, which is a next generation reserve backed token, which means that their contribution actually concludes their contribution includes an upgradable and modular smart contract architecture, as well as features in these platforms are the OTC market for the bonds and inverse bonds. Then there is automated asset management, and of course there is streamlined governance and NFTs, and there is a rewards tier on top of a VE 3.3 vote escrow mechanism. And there is the upgradability on the Elysian. It was actually designed so that the users can easily access new infrastructure or improvements governing how the treasury works. Importantly, getting access to new DeFi integrations does not require an upgrade by the user. Then they have the bootstrap phase, and the project is actually at its stage mostly bootstrapped, and the team spent a large amount of time and effort to reach the current development stage. And the smart contract code is 80% completed, and a full-fledged front end in the works. And although they are standing on the shoulders of the giants, a lot of work is still required to launch a safe protocol. The smart contracts audit and legal opinions are expensive, and a fair launch depends on a number of factors that cannot always be foreseen. So this platform is working very hard to bring the best with the whole ecosystem for the holders and the users. And this is one of the reasons why they are actually holding a private seed round ahead of the fair launch event. And the goal is this round is to bring goal of this round is to bring in the like-minded individuals and investors whose contributions can be pivotal to the future of the protocol. The fair launch event focus will be bootstrapped initial in liquidity, while at the same time giving everyone an opportunity to join early. Now, the Elysian Finance's introduction goes like their bonding curves and development of automated market makers, the AMMs, such as the Bancor Network and Uniswap, and it is another pivotal point in the DeFi's short but dense history. The AMM protocols eliminate the need of mutual presence of the parties of a trade. For a trade, only one of the two parties is required as users trade directly into the liquidity of the smart contract. And in this model, liquidity providers add funds in change for a portion of the exchange fees generated by the trades, and a carefully designed bonding curve is used to let buyers and sellers tap into the liquidity, penalizing them if they exhaust it. Well, now if we focus on a little bit on their features, well, their contribution includes an upgradable and modular smart contract architecture, like as their features are like the OCT market, as we have already said, the market for the bonds and invest bonds, automated asset management, streamlined governance, and NFTs. And upgradability on the Elysian was actually designed so that the users can easily access new infrastructures introduced to the ecosystem, or improvements governing how the treasury actually works for the users and the whole platform. And they also have been getting access to new financial integrations with the decentralized finance, and it does not actually require any upgrades for the users. They can use it as it is. So you should really check out this platform for yourself. You can visit their website and their different social media activities to stay up to date with their latest updates. So that's it today. Goodbye.